Hello children, so today we will see verb, transitive and intransitive. So we already have come across what is a verb is. So a verb is a word which shows the action, okay, but here we will see transitive and intransitive verb. So before starting this unit, we will see what is an object. So an object in a sentence is a noun, okay. An object is a noun or a pronoun, okay, to whom the action done by the subject passes on, okay. So an object is a noun or a pronoun. We know what is noun and a pronoun. To whom, okay, to whom the action done by a subject is passed on, okay. For example, teacher punish a naughty boy. For example, these are all from the exercise of your textbook. For example, you have to find out which one is the object in all this, okay. So if I say the teacher punished a naughty boy, okay, so in this sentence which is an object? The object will be naughty boy, okay, because naughty boy is a noun, okay, and the subject, okay, the action of the subject in the sentence, the teacher is a subject, okay. The teacher is a subject, so teacher has punished, okay. Punished is a verb that is denoting action. So the action of the teacher has made the boy go through punishment, okay. So who has gone through the punishment? The boy. So the boy in this sentence is an object, alright. So next we will see what is a transitive verb is, alright. So what is transitive verb now? So if the subject, okay, now you have known what is a subject, what is an object is, and the subject is the one who takes the action, okay. So if the subject of an object pass to an object, the verb is transitive, alright. So in this unit we will at first see only what is an object is and what is transitive verb is. So there are several examples of transitive verb, that is eat, drink, do, play, all these are transitive verbs. So you see what is a transitive verb is, okay. So in this unit at first you only go through what is object and what is transitive verb, and the transitive verb and intransitive verb we will see in the next class.